results in a very worsened condition. So this is something which I want to tell you the dates. From here to September, Jupiter will be again in the same position as it was on 6th of November 2019. From September to November 2020, those 2 months, the Ketu will be leaving Jupiter, and Jupiter will be full-fledged with all strength, being Swagrahi or being on his own Rashi, will be very effective, and that should be the period. Although the period has started from 29th of June, but those 2 months should be the period where we should get some relief because of prevailing circumstances, and straight away, if I just put the things, then maybe corona or something like corona, maybe other viral diseases or ill health. I'll always address with the unhealthiness. Now, from November 2020, again Jupiter will be joining Saturn in Capricorn, and which will be up to May 2021. Then 3-4 months again relief, then again with the same position, and will be ending in November 2021. Now let's be away or let's come out of the confusion what I have said, forget about the dates. So now what is concluding part? Yes, first relief may be around September to November 2020. Second relief may be from May 2021 to 120 days, maybe 3-4 months. But ultimately, this corona-like position or the prevailing unhealthy happening in all over the world may be possible, may be in a comfortable position finally after November 2021. This is one thing. Second thing is, presently, because of this corona or because of this present position, our economy, financial status, everything, no money, no earning, nothing like that. So for that, I just want to put a few words that yes, after this November 2021, Jupiter will be moving further, and then further will be moving on November 2022. So finally, as I told you about the corona or something like corona position, finally November 2021, here for our financial everything will be finally around November 2022. This is the answer. I am not directly addressing the corona or something like corona. That includes everything, but definitely that indicates unhealthiness in our life. Maybe corona, maybe another strain of viral disease, maybe something bacterial, airborne, whatever it is. This is one, and financially I have told you about our economy and everything. That will be taking at least 2 years, and after that things will come out. Tushar, is it okay? Anything else?
Thank you. Anybody wants to ask something? They can chat. Put it in the chat.
I just want to say a few words. Should I tell Tushar? Last time, because of that, somebody asked me about the education of the children, and then no need. Nobody must have raised this question. This in your batch, anybody has raised this?
Somebody is saying any relief for this?
Yes.
What mantra?
Very important point. Very important point. See, this I have told you that basically, primarily, there are 2 planets, although Ketu is also there, but there are 2 planets which are very important for the present scenario. One is Jupiter and another is Saturn. So let's first start with the Saturn, because that is the planet which is always for a very long period. It's a planet meant for chronicity, endless difficulties. So now you go in the theme of this, that how to make khush, how to keep happy Saturn. So who is the Saturn? Saturn is a planet, and the Lord of Saturn is Lord Shiva. So from my side, now at present Savan is going on. Today I have completed Savan, Somvar Savan Puja. By 4 we both, husband, wife, and my another daughter and granddaughter, we all were doing that. So my first mantra for the relief of the present scenario is, in whatever way, in whatever simple words, you can do Shiv Puja. And here also I should mention that what is important in doing puja, what is important while you are chanting the mantras, what is important while doing any activities, that is full concentration, submission, surrender, and belief, faith. You can use any number of words. देखिए, भगवान भाव के प्रेमी है. So how much emotionally you are there with Saturn planet and Lord Shiva, the result will be exactly the same. If you just go as a mechanical person, yes, uncle has said, let's do Shiv Puja, and your mind may be somewhere else, then no results.